Starting around 30 November 2023, Nexo basically is exchanging at $0.7550 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.34% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo by and large has an in every way that really matters, complete market cap of $422,803,468, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,948,602 in a for the most part significant manner. This truly makes Nexo by and large positioning at 105 in the digital money market in an in every way that really matters, significant way. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo generally be genuinely worth in 2023, which most certainly is very huge. Is Nexo a by and large wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Will Nexo cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, which explicitly is genuinely critical? These especially are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value expectation 2023, as per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost really is supposed to basically cross a very normal value level of $0.8118, the normal sort of least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to be $0.7815, which sort of is very huge. Besides, Nexo can by and large arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $0.8584 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo explicitly is certainly anticipated to generally arrive at a really normal cost of $0.7959, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.8186 and a genuinely least of $0.7201. Which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Nexo value figure December 2023. The Nexo cost for December 2023 may fundamentally arrive at a truly least worth of $0.7815, while the kind of most extreme determined cost especially is around $0.8584, which basically is very critical. The especially normal cost for Nexo fundamentally is really anticipated to in every practical sense reach $0.8118 in December 2023 in an unpretentious way. Nexo past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been basically diminished by 0.58% in its truly current worth, showing how might Nexo cost most certainly outperform its unsurpassed high in an extremely enormous manner. Assuming we in a real sense look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, especially further appearance how Nexo value estimate December 2023, the Nexo cost for December 2023 may arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $0.7815, while the extremely greatest determined cost certainly is around $0.8584 in a genuinely significant manner. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Nexo basically was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 0.7%, which certainly is very huge. Nexo in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for commonly of potential recently, and this could be fundamentally great chance to essentially dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo truly be worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? In any case, after the contrasting the very current cost and certainly beyond 30 days cost history, it sort of is seen that Nexo truly has expanded 4.716% in its worth, exhibiting that Nexo value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo basically will be fundamentally anticipated to by and large arrive at a typical cost of $0.7959, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.8186 and an in every practical sense least of $0.7201, or so they generally thought. The really normal most certainly least cost for the month in every practical sense is $0.6814, while essentially greatest pretty normal cost truly was $0.7194 in a sort of significant manner. This suggests that this coin explicitly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to kind of your arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul, which in a real sense shows that Nexo certainly has a fundamentally complete market cap of $422,803,468 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,948,602, which is very critical. The 90 days cost change certainly is near 10.32%. And the cost for the most part coursed from an especially least sort of typical cost of $0.7928 to especially greatest genuinely normal cost of $0.8551 in the beyond 90 days, showing how these essentially are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in a huge manner. In very most recent 4 months, Nexo in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern, which in every way that really matters shows that the fundamentally normal cost for Nexo in every way that really matters is by and large anticipated to reach $0.8118 in December 2023 in an unobtrusive way. Subsequently, we really believe that comparative pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, kind of additional appearance, how this truly makes Nexo truly positioning at 105 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of significant manner. As per the scarcely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Nexo explicitly is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting how this in every practical sense makes Nexo, all things considered, positioning at 105 in the digital currency market, or so they especially thought. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost in an unobtrusive manner. The currency in every practical sense is up by 1.99%, with the all things considered greatest pretty normal cost of the mint piece really was around $0.6665, and the by and large least lovely typical cost of for the most part was around $0.6499 in especially beyond 4 months, showing how as per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Nexo in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting how this truly makes Nexo, for the most part positioning at 105 in the cryptographic money market, which certainly is very critical. Nexo value figure 2023 facts. What will explicitly be Nexo genuinely worth in 2023, or so they basically thought. The Nexo cost truly is estimated to in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.8584, with truly least cost of $0.7815 toward the finish of 2023. Exhibiting that the mint piece truly is up by 1.99%, with the exceptionally greatest essentially normal cost of the currency fundamentally was around $0.6665, and the truly least beautiful typical cost of especially was around $0.6499 in every way that really matters, recent months, showing how as per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Nexo especially is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting how this truly makes Nexo truly positioning at 105 in the cryptographic money market,